Cheyenne, what's good, bro? You're always the first one in here. Like, the second I go live, you're in here, bro. It's insane. What's up, PJ? PJ and Cheyenne in here instantly, man. And Abhishek, what's up, man? Sharon, what's happening? You guys were in here super quick. Gold crazy? Yeah, gold's definitely doing something today. Gold is definitely doing something today, man. How are you guys doing? How are the boys doing? How are you guys doing? Made 500 in profit today. Let's go. Let's go, Sharon. That's awesome, man. What's up, Seal? Cold in NZ. It's the same here, bro. It's the same in Melbourne. It's the same in Melbourne, man. It's cold, wet, miserable. Absolutely miserable. Cold, wet, and miserable. Any potentials today? I think above, once we start getting some bullish movement, once we start breaking this level here, I think you know, I believe price can continue bullish. So I'll be looking for buys above 2393,911. Got MC, dude? What do you mean, MC, Eza? What's MC mean? What's MC, Eza? Me brother. You're also waiting for that break? Yeah. I think there's a nice clean level, right? Because if you look at the price action, you know, if you look at the price action within this range right now, not very good, yeah? Very choppy, low volume, consolidation. Same in here, same in this range, right? So we've got the levels here. We've got this bottom level, we've got this mid level, and we have this top level, right? And within each of these ranges right here, between each of these levels, price is consolidating. It's very rangy. You know, very low volume, bad price action, choppy. So if you look just a little bit up further than that into this range right here, this is nice because look how price moved last time it was in this range, right? It moved through very easily, very nicely. So I think this is a nice range for buys. There's a nice move in here. This could be a retracement. You can see that, you know, from this move up earlier today, these lows have still not been taken over here, right? So this is a higher low. We got highs up here, right? Potentially got higher lows now down in here. and then price can start coming back up into, you know, these levels over here. So yeah, let's wait and see. That would be my idea today. Buys above 2394. Nice round level, right? 2394. Gold made a big move during our session. Yeah, I think this was down to if you take a look at GJ, there was, what do they have today? Inflation, pound inflation news, I'm pretty sure. You got margin called, Ezra? What happened, bro? Yo, Shakri, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, my guy. Yeah, over here. I know, sorry, it was yen. It was yen inflation, right? So you had Japanese yen inflation, and then soon after that, you had a huge move down. And same on gold, right? During that period, gold drove up. So what's up, Tech Crypto? It has been a long time, man. Welcome back, bro. Thank you for the sub, my guy. I thought it was already sub. No way you're only just subbing up right now, dude. There's no way, dude. There's literally no way, dude. Just doing the Instagram post. Just doing the IG post, boys, and then we'll be live. Alright. Yo, Ezza, what happened, bro? What happened? What happened? When did you get margin called? Like today? Today? Today, my guy? I have one question for you. Risk reward ratio? Ah, you're busy. Oh, what's up, Summit? What's happening, Summit? You good? Haven't seen you in a while, Summit. Yo, Save Europe. Appreciate the follow. Welcome to the TikTok gang, my guy. How's the nows, mate? Stopped habit or getting better? Oh, mate, I've been doing this since I was 15 years old, so it's not stopping anytime soon, bro. I need to go to like rehab or some shit for like biting nails. I need an intervention or some shit, man. Like I'm not just gonna stop myself. It's imprinted into my DNA at this point. I literally cannot stop. I do it without even realizing that I'm doing it. I have one question for you. Risk reward ratio. What do you mean, Tech? What do I trade? What risk reward ratio do I trade? Not good, but fine. What's up, Summit? What's happened, bro? Talk to Uncle Cody. Talk to Uncle Cody, man. What's up, bro? Did noob thing, long at top, sell at bottom, gold. Damn, son. Summit, are you in the Discord? Are you in the Discord? The Discord. Yeah, Tech, what are you asking? Which do I trade? Which risk to reward ratio do I trade? Or what is the recommended risk to reward ratio? What are you asking? We have news today. I don't think there's any news today, right? I think we've had the news for this week on USD. Yeah, we don't have any news. We can check pound and yen news if you want. I think yeah, there was definitely yen news today. Inflation, but why is it not showing here? Yen. Interesting. It's saying there was no yen news, but on TradingView it's saying there was yen news. But yeah, no news today on USD. No high impact news anyway. There's existing home sales, but I know that was last night. Yeah, so there's no news. All the news has happened. What's up, user? What's happening, man? Welcome back. Tech crypto tips. What are you asking me, bro? What risk to reward ratio I trade? Or are you asking what is a good risk to reward ratio? Like, what are you asking? The risk to reward ratio I use is usually like a 1-to-1 or a 1-to-2. I don't usually go higher than a 1-to-2. Are you running the Telegram Summit? So you've got me on Telegram Summit, yeah, like private. Send me your setups and I'll see if I can help you, bro. What's up, Tommy? Yeah, I'm based in Melbourne. I'm in Melbourne. What's my insight on gold? Buys only really, like, I'm just going off the 4-hour time frame at the moment, and I know there's some heavy rejection, but it's printing bullish candles, you know. It's printing bullish candles. This is a crazy 4-hour rejection here. So at the moment, I'm looking at buys. There's not really anything to go off here, right? If you take a look at the 1-hour time frame here, and even the 4-hour time frame, like I just showed, there's not really much to go off right now. Gold is definitely in a consolidation, right? It's 100% consolidating on the higher time frames as well, right? This is the 4-hour time frame. Look at this sideways movement. If we go to the daily, you can see the daily is also very choppy in here now, right? It's started to slow down a little bit. You know, price is containing within this range right here. You know, 1 hour as well. Look at this 1-hour time frame. It looks very messy. You know, if you zoom out as well, you can see the consolidation in there. If you're looking at the most current 1-hour price action right here, again, this looks terrible, right? So there's not really much to go off on gold right now. The 5-minute as well looks, you know, it's not looking promising. We had this nice move over here during Asian session, and then prices just come straight back down. And now in this area right here, it's consolidating again. You know, after all this consolidation over here as well. So it's, yeah, gold is just not looking very good right now, I'll be honest. So yeah, if I can get a closure above here, 2394, right? If I can get closure above, we can look for a breakout trade here to continue bullish. I'm just going off like 4-hour candles, printing bullish closures, creating highs, you know. So I'm just going off that at the moment. So I'll be looking for buys above 2394. What's up, Forex Mastering? What's happening, broski? 1-to-1, 1-to-2, 1-to-3. Yeah, I trade a 1-to-1 or a 1-to-2 tech. But I don't know what you're asking me, bro. Like, are you asking me what I trade? Are you asking me what I recommend people trade? Or you know, what you ask. You're just putting numbers in the chat right now. Thanks for sharing. No worries, guys. I mean, it's probably best, you know, it's probably in all our interests that, you know, we trade very lightly at the moment, right? Until we start to see gold move again, right? If we take a look at gold on the 4-hour time frame and we look back, you know, like a couple of weeks ago in here, you know, you're getting beautiful price action here, right? You're not getting any consolidation. Price is making a beautiful uptrend, you know, pulling back, continuing bullish. Compared to now, look how choppy this is, right? And of course, this is due to, you know, inflation, FOMC, PPI. We've had retail sales in here as well. So, you know, price can get very choppy when you start getting these things. But yeah, just be very careful right now when you're trading. Be very careful. What's up, Matrix? Haven't started the course, but we'll hopefully on the weekend. Oh, nice, bro. Let me know how you go. I think I sent you a message just to check up and see how you're going. I don't know if you got it, but yeah, I could only find you. I couldn't find you in the Discord. I'm not sure what your name is in the Discord, so I couldn't message you there. So I messaged you on TikTok. But yeah, you know, let me know how it goes, bro. Let me know how it goes, my guy. Can spike in any direction at the moment, yeah, and it's just not clean, you know. It's not clean price action. You just got to look at these candles in here, right, and just and see. You can very clearly see that, you know, it's very messy at this point. There's no clear direction, no momentum. We've had like a spike of volume here. But what you want to see after a move like this, once you see volume in the market like this, you can expect a pullback. That's fine, right? Price pullback, but then you want to see it start to continue bullish again, right? You want to see that volume continue, the momentum continue. You want it to continue in that direction. But we had that sharp move up, and then price came all the way back down, and now it's consolidating again. So, you know, it's not good signs really. Not good tradable signs, you know. What do you think of buy at 77? Like I said, I wouldn't be recommending anything right now. I'm only going to look for bullish continuation buys above here. If price starts breaking this level, this bottom level, right? This is a nice key level. If you look in the market, price interacting with this level a lot, right? You can see very key level down here. So if price starts breaking this, then I wouldn't be looking to sell at that point. Buy at that point, right? I'd be looking to sell. Be more inclined to sells, not buys. That's just my strategy. That's my opinion. Obviously, you have your own strategy, your own opinion. So if you think you want to buy at 77 and you've got a solid, setup, and you're following your trading plan, you're following your risk management plan, then yeah, buy at 77, bro. If that's part of your strategy. Sorry, I was just saying good night to my daughter. How much do you catch? How much do you catch the up trade? Tech crypto. I've literally answered you like 5 times now, bro. 1 to 1 or 1 to 2? 1 to 1 or 1 to 2, my guy. What's up, Sib? What's happening, Sib? Weekly view on gold. What, for next week, something? What are your setups? What do you mean, what are my setups? Like right now? Or do you mean what setups do I look for? Weekly view next week. Let's have a look. Let's take a look at this weekly candle. I mean, we still got 10 hours left. But I mean, weekly's looking decent, right? The weekly's just looking like it's another bullish week. For the coming weeks, I mean, I don't know for the coming weeks, Summit. You know, we just have to wait and see how price plays out. You know, I'm not, like I've said many times, I'm not the type of trader to try and predict where price is going. I will react when price moves, right? And that's how you should be. You shouldn't try and predict price and guess where price is going. Wait for price to move and then react. Yeah, react in real time. But in terms of the monthly has 11 days left. You know, you can obviously see what's happening on a monthly perspective right now, right? Price is obviously continuing bullish. Got 2 very strong bullish candles right here. Weekly also looks decent. Weekly hasn't broken previous weekly high though, so you can see the previous weekly high up here, previous weekly low. You can see that the weekly is making higher highs and higher lows at this point. And we have 10 hours left, right? So I don't know if price is going to come up and tap this high. We don't know that, of course. We just have to wait and see. Like, we've only got 10 hours left to do it. But if not, then, you know, potentially from the weekly perspective, we're creating a high and a lower high. But, you know, the candles are closing bullish. The candles are closing bullish. You got higher highs and higher lows. You know, there's a nice bullish structure from the weekly. So, you know, I would just say just continued bullish outlooks. Continued, you know, bullish continuation. Today's daily candle is not looking the greatest, right? If this starts to flip bearish and drives down, then, you know, basically we just have to wait and see how today's daily and weekly, you know, closes, in my opinion. And then once we know how this weekly candle closes and today's daily candle closes, then you can get a better idea of what's going to happen next week. But until then, you know, we don't really know. I mean, your playbook setups for placing trades. Basically, Tommy, I trade, you know, price action. I do top-down analysis using the weekly, daily, 4-hour, 5-minute time frame. Sorry, 1 hour, 5-minute time frame. I use the weekly, daily, and 4-hour for analysis. I enter from the 1 hour and 5-minute. I trade, you know, price action, structure, just very simple concepts, and I trade breakouts of key levels. So yeah. What's up, Tony? Any trades today? Nah, no trades today yet. Yeah, prices it's not moving very nice at all, man. It's very choppy. Yeah, very choppy price action. Oh, I didn't mean to draw that, but I mean, it looks. Signal section on Discord trade copier. What trade copier matrix? I'll read your message. We'll talk on TikTok. Do you think the uptrend is finished? Not necessarily, no. Are you talking about the more long-term one, Phil? Like, you know, this uptrend from like a daily, weekly perspective? Key level mean higher time frame, right? Key level, I mean, yeah, I get my key levels from you know, weekly, daily, 4 hour, mostly the 4 hour, but you know, the weekly and daily as well. I'm not sure who Nick is, Tommy, but similar to Donvo, I would say similar to Donvo. I'm not. I mean, a little bit, yeah. In terms of like this, like style of trading, like a breakout trading, probably, yeah. But I know Donvo. I used to watch Donvo a lot, actually, like a couple years ago. I haven't watched him in a couple years now, but I know he used to trade breakouts, right? But he had like specific names for them, like what was it? Like celery or something? Celery and I don't know, there's another one, but yeah. Onion, that's it. Fake out celery onion, yeah. Do you watch Donvo, Tony? I like Donvo. I think he's a solid trader, right? He does everything live, so you know, there's literally nothing you can hate about that guy. Am I selling? No, I'm not selling. Yeah, I like Dumbo. He trades New York session though. Like he's always live for New York session, and that's too late for me. It's too late for me. So I never really watch his stream anymore. Like I'm usually in bed by that time. I like trading London session. Nowadays, not pretty much. What do you mean? He's got a pineapple one too. Blinker Fluid, Piss Take, thank you guys for the follow on TikTok. Appreciate you guys. Phil, in terms of this uptrend, I would say, you know, there's no real, if we're looking at the weekly, there's no clear signs that the uptrend has finished yet at all, right? If you're looking at the weekly right here, this uptrend is still very much in a strong uptrend, right? Until some of these lows start getting broken on the weekly, potentially, right? These high lows, then I would say it's still very much, you know, obviously still very bullish. Daily is a bit choppy, starting to get a bit choppy here. We got a strong rejection here. We got another one here potentially today as well. Price creating a resistance in here that daily is failing to close above and continue bullish. So if you start to see it, you know, like a turnaround on the daily, that could give a bit of a hint, right? The kind of move you want to start seeing on the daily is you want prices to make a sharp move down, come back up, right? Fail to break these highs, create a lower high in here, and then continue bearish. And then at that point, you can clearly say that the uptrend is finished. But right now, there's no signs for me. Probably, obviously, it has slowed down a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, but I wouldn't say that the uptrend is finished. Right? It's still very much in a very strong uptrend right now. Nowadays, haven't watched on his. Oh yeah. Yeah, I haven't watched him in a while, to be honest. I got the journal from him though. His trading journal. I really like his trading journal, but yeah. No. But yeah, let's have a look at GJ real quick. User, I appreciate you for sharing the live, my guy. GJ, you know, GJ is the same. Just take a look at GJ on the 4 hour right here. You know, heavy consolidation. We got the lows, we got the highs. Like right here, right? If you take a look over to the left, you can see this movement right here, okay? You can see that price moved up and then pulls back, right? There's no consolidation in here, right? Price just moves up and then down and then up. And then right here, right, as price is coming back down in here, pull back, and then you want it to continue, right? But as it's tried to continue on the daily time frame here, it's finding resistance. So this is why it's consolidating. So now it needs to make its mind up whether it's actually going to eventually continue bullish in this current uptrend, or if we're going to get a break of structure and we're going to start flipping bearish, right? So GJ is in the same kind of phase that gold is in right now. But gold is in the very early stages of it. But yeah, there's not much I can do with this right now, to be honest. If anyone's trying to trade this, you're gonna have a nightmare. You're gonna have a nightmare trying to trade this, trust me. Street Vibe saying you're the follow on TikTok. Appreciate you, man. Welcome to the TikTok gang, my guy. Let's go. Let's go. Wah said bye in the TikTok chat. Bye. You want to buy right now, my guy? I want to buy above. Where did my text go? Potential all-time high. We're quite a distance from that right now. We're like almost 500 pips away. So I doubt we're going to get there today. I highly doubt that. I highly doubt that. I actually hit 40k on the account this week, but then had this small loss and it brought it back down to it's just sitting under 40k right now. $39,987. But we tapped it. We finally tapped it. History has been made right here. 40k. How long do you guys think it's going to take me to get to 50k? Four months? 4 extra months to get to 50k, Tony. I've got to 40k in like 4 months. Oh, 100k. 100k in 4 months? I mean, yeah, if I have a good week, I reckon I could do it in a week, get to 50k. But I mean, this month has been slow, man. I'm not gonna lie. Like, if you take a look, so far this month, I've taken 11 trades for a 75% win rate. It's pretty good. Oh, you guys on TikTok can't see. Now, this is not a proper account. This is my personal account. You guys on TikTok can see right here, April. $11 trades so far this month. Like, that's quite low. March, I took 16. So I mean, actually, it's decent. It's kind of lining up with March as well. But 75% win rate. It's decent. It's decent. Average 1 trade a day. Well, I just take what the market gives me, you know. I take what the market gives me. So some days I'll take a trade, some days I won't. $50k by the end of May. Oh, for sure, right? Surely, Tony, surely. Surely. Yeah, it is, Tommy. It is. Yeah, it's free. I'll send you the link, actually. I might just make it a timer in my YouTube chat. You know what? I will do that. If you want the journal link, come over to the YouTube and it will be in the chat. I just got to do it first. Give me a second. So guys, this is a prime example that you don't have to take 1, 2, 3, 4 trades a day, right? Or even a week. Some weeks I have 1 or 2 trades a week, right? You guys need to be thinking about the future when you have saved up or built enough capital up where you have a good size account, right? And you can take a couple of trades, 1 trade a week or 2 trades a week, or 10, 15 trades a month, and you still make good money, right? This is what you guys should be focused on. And this is a prime example. I'm a prime example that, you can still make money that way. What's up, Bernard? What's happening, bro? What's happening, bro? All right, guys. So if you want the journal, come over to the YouTube. It's in the YouTube channel. Link. It's from a trader called Donvo, but the link is in the YouTube. It's his website. You click on that link. You scroll all the way down to the bottom. You don't wanna click the sample size journal. You want to go down to the bottom and click trading journal, right? I'm plugging Donvo right now for free. What's up, Shiesty? Where are you? I'm in Australia too, Bernard. I'm in Australia too. What's up, Big Dreams? What's happening, guys? Does all the strategies like SMC apply to all the different types of commodities? I'll be honest with you. I've never traded SMC. I don't know, and I don't really know anything about SMC, so I'm not sure. I can't really answer that question for you. I would suggest so. Yeah, I would. But yeah, I really don't know for sure, man. I know obviously you can use it on different currencies, gold and things like that, but I'm not sure about oil or what else is there, like the indices, S&P 500. I'm not sure. Peace out, Tony, bro. Another insane week, bro. Another insane week from you, my guy. Proud of you, bro. Have fun. Have a good weekend. Get some sleep, bro. Get some sleep. What strategy you use the most? Price action, breakout, Pabo. I like to call it the Pabo strategy, price action breakout. We up today so far? No trades so far, Sammy, today. As you can see, gold is just not it today. Gold is not it today, man. If anyone's trying to trade this, there's a good chance you're going to get clapped. No worries, Herman. Catch you later, big dreams. Thanks for the journal link. Trying to balance uni work and learning how to trade. No worries. Don't thank me, man. Thank Dongo. What are you studying, GC? Woo, Jason. Appreciate the follow, man. Welcome to the TikTok game, my guy. TikTok. Hi, Bernice. What's happening, Bernice? Civil engineering, oh nice. Where you at, GC? Gold Coast, by any chance? What pairs? This is gold, and occasionally I'll trade GJ as well. gbpjpy. Oh, New South Wales. It's a proper headache. Yeah, I can imagine. I can imagine, man. When did you start learning GC? But I'll tell you now, Forex is going to be just as much, if not even more of a headache. Bum, bum, Guys, I'll just say it again real quick. I have to say this every stream, but if anyone ever messages you pretending to be me, right? You know straight away that's a scam, because I will never message anybody first, all right? Because there's loads of people out there right now making fake accounts of me, trying to get people to buy shit, all right? And trying to scam people. So I'm never gonna message any of you guys first, trying to sell you anything, all right? So if someone messages you, obviously check the account, and you know straight away it's not going to be me, all right? I'm not going to message you first, so don't get scammed, all right? To be honest, recently, because everyone is trying to jump into it, but I'm just taking notes and trying to understand it more before I dump all my savings. Yeah, definitely do not dump all your savings into Forex right now, because I guarantee you're gonna lose all of it. You need a minimum of, depends on your education, right? If you get the right education, the right guidance, I would say, 2 years, a year to 2 years, depending on the person, right? Depends how quick you learn, how quick you pick things up. It depends on your mentality, your mindset, how you are with money, right? If you're good with money, you're gonna be good with trading. But if you're someone who's not good with money, and you can't, you end up just blowing money, or you spend too much, or you're not in control of your accounts and things like that, then you're probably not going to be good with trading either, because it you know, obviously it does involve your real money, and people get very emotional over it, right? People get very emotional over money. So just take your time, try and get the right guidance, the right education. You know, there's lots of free stuff out there on YouTube. Obviously, stay away from anyone who's just shoving Lamborghinis and Rolexes and private jets down your throat, right? If that's the only content they are offering you, or the majority of the content they are offering you, then do not follow that person. But there's lots of free shit out there that you can learn trading from. You just got to find the right people. And yeah, just take your time, man. But do not put any of your money into trading right now. None whatsoever. Save your money, man. Save your money. Money is important, especially these days, man. People are working hard. It's hard to come by. You don't want to be giving it away to the markets. Time frame. This is the 5-minute time frame. We know you're real because you're live streaming, yeah, but I mean, some people are getting scammed, man. Yeah, like the accounts look exactly the same as mine. They somehow have the same amount of followers and shit. Like, I don't know how they do it, but yeah, just don't get scammed. Don't get scammed. We'll get some volume coming in here. Look at this. Very nice. Closure below. This could be interesting if price breaks these lows right here. There's a good chance it's going to continue bearish. But I'm not trading. I'm not trading this mess. This is a mess. I mean, we've seen volume come in a couple times, right? We've seen volume come in right here. So volume, a nice volume push. But then what happened? Price just came straight back down. Consolidated again. We saw a nice volume push in here, and then price just consolidated again. We need continued volume. But like I said, if it does break that low, what's the next level down here? Next level is 2370. Yeah, my computer is going nuts right now. It's breathing heavily. Wait, what the? That would just happen. So if it just comes back straight back up here and closes back into this range, then you know it's chalked. It's chalked. It's definitely chalked. Is definitely chalked at that point. Let's take a look at next week, news-wise. Let's take a look at next week. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. We got nothing Monday. Tuesday, we have Flash Manufacturing. Not too bothered about that. Tuesday, Wednesday, we don't really have anything. Thursday, we got unemployment claims, which is a big one. Big one. Advanced GDP. Friday, we've got Bank of Japan press, Bank of Japan policy rate. Yeah, only one really like we can potentially look at is unemployment claims next week. That's the only meaningful news in my opinion next week. More liquidity rest and above. Do you trade index? No, I don't trade indexes. I just trade gold pretty much. Like if you take a look at, you know, all of these trades right here, these are all on gold. The last one on GJ was all the way over here. So everything underneath here is all gold trades. And that was back in Feb. The 9th of Feb, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, the 9th of February is the last time I traded GJ. Every single trade I've had since then has been on gold. Yeah, close back inside. For a beginner, gold is a no-go zone. Well, it just depends, you know, if you got the right education, SYB, if you know what you're doing, then gold is a great pair to trade because it moves quick, has a lot of liquidity, a lot of volume. It's very volatile. You know, if you know what you're doing, you can capture a lot of moves, the high volume moves, you know, and it moves quick, man. Your take profits get hit quick. You're in and out of the trades. So it's a good pair to take advantage of that way. You know, that's why I don't really like trading GJ anymore because, you know, the moves are very slow. You get very low pips. You know, on one, for example, this is a 5-minute time frame here, right? And on one 5-minute candle here, you get a 64 pip move on one 5-minute candle. A 64 pip move, right? On GJ, this candle would probably be like 10 pips, right? But on gold, it's 65 pips. So you can get big moves on the low time frames. They happen quickly. You get a lot of quick movements, a lot of volume. If you know what you're doing, you know how to catch them, then it's a really good pair to trade. But I mean, it looks like we got the breakout, the fake out, and then the double breakout potentially. You still got 3 minutes to go here. The price is playing around this level now, this key level. At this point, what time is it? 9:12. Probably wait for like a 30-minute closure below. I only need 300 to get my funded. What do you recommend? What do you mean? You need 300 more profit until you meet your profit target, or are you talking about buying a funded account? What time frame? This is the 5-minute time frame. This is the 5-minute time frame, my guy. I mean, finally getting some volume in here now on gold. It's actually breaking. Very nice. It's going to come into this level right here, 2370. It's going to tap this level beautifully. Watch this. Yes, I only need to make 300 more to pass my funded. Well, then keep doing what you're doing, Layla. Keep doing what you're doing. I don't need to give you any... I don't need to recommend you anything. Seems like you know what you're doing, my guy. Just keep doing what you're doing. Keep doing what you're doing, my guy. Seems like you're doing pretty well. You don't need any advice or recommendations from me. I might do a funded account soon. Alright, at this point, you know, I'm not looking for buys above here anymore. There's clear and obvious direction in the market right now, which is bearish. Now that price has broken this level. Retested. Come back down with more volume. So this is good signs, right? This is good signs for bearish volume, bearish momentum. You get the momentum, right? So you get the volume momentum in here in these two candles. Price closes below. Price tries to pull back, right? So price is trying to pull back now. Closes back above the level. But then look what happens. Price rips straight back down again with another high volume bearish candle. So these are all good bearish signs at this point, right? Over this level. So, you know, this could just continue bearish now. Through New York session open for the rest of the day, potentially. But I think price going to tap into here. 2370. 2370. Are you in buys? I'm not in anything, Christian. I was anticipating buys, but now price has obviously shown its hand, right? We can see what price wants to do now. It wants to drive bearish. So once price breaks this low over here, I think we're going to tap 2370. What is the meaning of TP2376? That is take profit and stop loss, bunnies. TP is take profit. That's where you're going to take your profits, a level where you're going to take your profit. So 2376, right? And SL means stop loss. That's where you're going to have a level in the market where you're going to get out of that trade for a loss, right? If price reverses on you. So the stop loss would be 2367 and the take profit would be 2376. Hasn't broke the low. Hasn't broke the previous low at this point. Are we out of the woods yet? But yeah, Christian, I'm not really expecting too much at this point because, you know, while this is good signs right here with these bearish candles, price coming in. You know, the price action today, the volume, the movements, the momentum, the direction has been non-existent, right? It's just been very consolidating, very choppy. Sorry, very rangy, very choppy. So my expectations at the moment, I don't really have any. My expectations are, I'm expecting to protect my capital and not be stupid and jump into the market with these conditions, right? That's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting my account to stay nice, no losses. But I'm intrigued to see if this bearish move is going to continue here. Because like I said previously, we have had bearish moves today, right? In here, some nice bearish movement down. But then what happens? Price just pulls back and starts consolidating again. So we'll see. We really need these candles just to continue bearish, right? But it's finding it hard. It's pushing bearish, then it's pulling back bullish, pushing bearish, then pulling back bullish. We want to see continued momentum. Yeah, it's cold as right now, man. I'm looking at buying or selling anywhere. Not at this point, Lalo. I was looking at buys a little bit earlier, but now price has broken this level. It's pushing down. There's no trades right now. There's no trades right now, if I'm being honest. Like price, like you don't want to be in the market during this type of price action. We need to wait for some momentum to pick up, right? We want to see if this bearish move continues. You can see these candles in here. We want to see if this continues, right? Because this could just easily just pull back up now and just start consolidating again. And you don't want to be getting caught in the market, you know, when it's like this. Oh man, my eyes. Yo Mo, appreciate the follow, man. Welcome to the TikTok gang, my guy. Let's go. Everyone make sure you're hitting that follow button over in the TikTok and in the YouTube as well. Make sure you sub into the channel, man. Help me out. Help me grow. It's so hard to grow on YouTube. It's almost impossible. Do you think he's going back up? I feel like there's a support level there. You feel like there's a support level, Francis, or you know there is a support level? You're talking about like this level here? I'd say given the walk sector, we're looking to go high. Yeah, well, that's what you would think, right? That's what, you know, that's basically what I think this move came from, right? As well as yen inflation. But this, I believe this move came from that as well. All the, you know, what's happening in Iran, Israel. But price is bearish at the moment. Price is pushing bearish, so good luck. What's your YouTube? Same as TikTok, Lalo. Forex with Cody. Where's the best place to buy an entry right now? There's not really any right now, Bernice. It's a bit too choppy. I'm looking at all-time highs again. Everyone's looking at all-time highs and everyone's looking at, you know, bullish movement when, you know, price is currently bearish. Price is, I know this is only a 5-minute time frame, but you know, it's looking quite bearish at the moment. Look at the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is looking bearish. I mean, it's just very rangy. It's just very, you know, sideways right now. 4 hours looking, you know, bearish as well. You can see now we've had a this 4-hour candle break the lows, right? We've got a very strong bearish 4-hour candle right now, breaking all these lows to the left. We've got heavy rejection, right? We've got heavy rejection up in here. We've got heavy rejection up in here. So things are starting to look a little bit bearish, I'm not gonna lie. But obviously the high time frame, daily, I mean, look at the daily candle as well. Daily candle is rejected. You know, if we look at previous price action, you can see a strong rejection, and then what happened? This candle came down and closed bearish, right? Drove to the downside. We got a strong rejection. This candle could again potentially start, you know, pushing bearish now at this point. So if you want to start talking about all-time highs and looking at buys, you want to start seeing bullish momentum and price action on the 5-minute time frame first of all, right, from the bottom to the top, because right now on the 5 minutes, you know, it's not bullish. What you want to see is, you know, you want to start seeing the 5 minutes start to come up here like this, right? Make some highs, pull back, continue, right? You want to start seeing those higher highs, higher lows kind of structure. You want to see momentum, bullish momentum. You want to see high volume bullish candles, and then we can start talking about, you know, buys and all-time highs and stuff. But right now, can entry now? No, Bernice, no. Looks like a potential wick fill on the weekly to push up as well. Yeah, I mean, it pretty much filled that wick, right? It has drove up quite a bit. It hasn't filled it completely, but you know, it wasn't too far off it here. It was like 100 pips off, which is nothing on the weekly time frame. Yeah, exactly. We got New York session coming up. So yeah, like Francisco said, you know, I mean, I wouldn't say manipulation, but you know, there's going to be some volume coming into the market very soon for New York session open. I'm going to sell from 92, looking for 60. Nice, bro. Nice, Jay. You're up almost 200 pips, bro. You got 20% of your position left. Like you took profits and left some position open. JJ, you know $800 profit in 1 day is good. You know it is, bro. Some people make $800 in a week, bro. Well, majority of people in the world make $800 a week. So you know for damn sure $800 in a single day is good. You only trade gold? Yeah, mostly only trade gold, Lalo. Oh, nice, Jay. Let's go. Love to hear that. Very sensible. The last thing you want is being 200 pips in profit and then price coming back up to hit your break even or even stop you out and losing the trade, right? So if you're that much in profit, you know, you should be taking some profits, moving your stops to break even. So yeah, that's good, bro. That's good. How do I stop this trading virus? I feel like I should trade. Just turn off your charts, bro, and go work out, go for a run, go see family, go and do something, you know. Take your trade, make your money, walk away from the charts, man. You have to do it, bro. You'll never get to that next level if you don't. You need to know when to stop. And this is the misconception about trading, right? Trading, people trade for freedom. It's about freedom, right? Being able to have more time, being able to work from wherever you are and make money from wherever you are. So what you should be doing is spending a maximum, I would say, of like an hour or 2 hours a day on the charts trading. Look for your setup, take it, and walk away, right? You shouldn't, unless you're a newbie, right? If you know what you're doing at this point, you're profitable and you're making good money, you shouldn't be sitting staring at the chart for 10, 15 hours a day, right? You shouldn't. You do your analysis, you set your alerts, you wait for your alerts to get triggered, you look for your entry, you set your trade, and then you carry on with your day, right? You go for it, like I said, work out, do what you got to do, right? Start a business, get a job, do something else. Wait, wait, what? What is that? What are you, wait, what? What is that guy saying in the TikTok chat? Give advice for my Are you trying to say circumcision next week? Bro's asking me to give advice for his circumcision. He's pretty scared. I would be scared too, man. I would be scared too. I want to make 200 a day. Is it possible? Bernice, that's the wrong mindset. That's the wrong mindset. Do I regret what? Again, I'm not circumcised. I'm a grown ass man. You think I'm going to get circumcised now? Hell no, bro. Thanks, man. I'll try to practice that. It's just that in the past 2 weeks, I made almost 3K, and that is after 9 hours of work. And when I trade, I don't even feel like I'm trading just fun all the time, even after hours. Yeah. Just learn to walk away, JJ. Why? I can't tell if this guy's being serious right now. Are you being serious? Are you being serious, Sapula? Ben, I don't know if he's being serious, bro. It's healthier? What is it? What are you talking about? It's healthier. What is it healthier? No one's ever died from not being circumcised, bro. I think you're gonna be okay. Exactly, Ben. It's easier to clean. Bro, what am I hearing right now, bro? This is a trading stream, man. I'm not a doctor. I can't give you any advice on that. My advice would be to not get it done, bro. Stay natural. As Ben said, you were born you were born with it for a reason, bro. Unless you were circumcised as a baby, you know, when it can't be helped, you don't have a say in it, then, you know, why would you be worrying about that now, man? Just chill on it, bro. Bro said it's easier to clean. What are you? Yo, thanks for the follow, bro. I guess I gave good advice, so he gave a follow, you know? How old are you, Sapula? What's my usual TP? It changes all the time, Tommy. It changes all the time. If you want to look at my trading journal, you can see here 9 pips, 13 pips, 12 pips, 86 pips, 15 pips, 47 pips, 15 pips, 15 pips, 28 pips, 15 pips, 35 pips, 10, 10, 15, 18, 10, 20, 20, 15, 10, 18, 16, 11, 7, 13, 51. It always changes, bro. There's not like a usual TP. I gotta get funded. Why? Go for a big account. The only reason I would do a funded account is for like some content for YouTube. Like track it, make some videos, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, otherwise I'm not interested. I don't want to give my money to these people, to these firms. Their companies are literally built on in hopes of people failing, right? Funded prop firms are companies created in hopes of people failing and just continuing to buy more and more accounts. That's why so many of them are getting put out of business and going, you know, getting investigated and stuff. I know there's obviously some good firms. What's my win rate? My win rate currently is 62. You guys can see right here. I'll just show you so you know I'm not. My win rate is currently 62.20% since this January 1st, and the account gain, my account is up 161% since January 1st. A total of 473 pips secured. But yeah, like, no matter what it is, no matter which company you guys think is good, whatever, they're literally companies built in hopes that people fail, right? These companies make money on the back of people failing. They don't make money off people being successful, right? Their literal whole business plan, their whole infrastructure is in hopes that people fail. So you just gotta think about that, right? There's these people sitting down, these owners, these CEOs of these prop firms. They're sitting down in a meeting going, all right, so yeah, business is going well. You know, traders are just losing money, blowing their accounts and buying more. Business is great. We're getting rich, right? They're not sitting there going, oh, guys, like, you know, it's awesome. We got all these traders that are in our prop firm who are really profitable and really successful, and we're paying them out thousands of dollars a week and a month. You know, this is great. That's not how that works. They do not make money off people being successful. They make money off people failing. So for that reason, that is why I don't like prop firms. And I refuse to get one. But with that being said, I do want to do one for some content. They use the money from failing traders to pay the profitable ones, yeah. And IGC, That is the exact point. So they know the stats, right? They know you can go out there and find the stats for yourself, but only 99% of like traders fail in trading, right? Lose money. There's only a few percent of actual traders who actually make money in the market consistently. So that is a profitable market right there straight away. They know the only reason these firms and these companies have come around is because they've seen that data. They've seen their chance in the market to start a business and make money, because they know that most traders who come into Forex fail, lose money, blow accounts. And so they've set up their whole business plan, their whole structure around those numbers, right? They might get the odd trader here and there that will come onto their firm and make a little bit of money, and so they'll pay them out. But majority of people are going to fail. So they're just going to be paying hundreds of dollars for new accounts each time, failing them, buying another one, failing it, buying another one, failing it. And if you've got thousands or hundreds or thousands of people doing that weekly, monthly, you're going to make a shit ton of money, right? You're going to be able to pay off, the odd person who does actually make money on their firm, right? But majority of the traders are actually going to lose money, and that's what they want. Those are the people they want. So just remember that, right? Just remember that when you're taking these accounts, the odds are against you, and they know that, and they're hoping that you fail. That whole structure, that whole, it's all set up for you to fail and keep buying more accounts. It's all set up that way. It's not set up for you to succeed. Yes, you are correct. Gold is a commodity, not Forex. If it retests now, it'd be a good buy. Bam, 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 bam. All right, guys, I'm going to head out. I'm not going to sit here any longer and watch this absolute abysmal price action. It's horrific. But yeah, this week, what did it end this week? Let's have a look. So this week I ended on, so from the 15th. This week I had 4 trades. 3 wins, 1 break even, which ended up being a small loss because I think it was like 2 pips, below my entry. So it was basically a break even, but I did end up losing a couple hundred. So yeah, this week I made $2,253 and an account gain of 5.87%. So not a bad week, really. Not a bad week at all. 4 trades. Almost a 6% account gain. But yeah. Decent week. Month so far. Let's have a look at the month so far. The month so far, I'm up 11.17%. Up 11% on my account, which is really good. and a profit of $4,144 so far this month, which is average. You know, it's average. We still got next week. We still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We still got 7 trading days left of this month, so still a lot of time. Still got a lot of time, man. But not bad, not bad. I'm happy with that. 11% account growth. We'll see how the rest of the month plays out. But yeah, I'm out. I'm out of here, man. The week is done. I'm gonna go chill with my family. I would heavily recommend you guys to stay out of markets now today, because this is just not good. It's not good, right? It's not worth risking your capital and losing capital on it. Just stay out. Protect your money. Finish up the week on a good note. And we'll see what next week brings, man. Hopefully we can get a bit of movement again. Some nice price action. Some nice momentum in either direction. But yeah, be interested to see how the weekly closes today, right? Should close bullish, but if it does flip, you know, could be interesting. Daily's floating around entry right now. You already know that today's fucked, right? Because look at the movements we've had so far today, and now we're all the way back down at the daily open again, right? We're sitting at the daily open where price opened today. So, you know, there's a lot going on right now, so it's just best to just stay out of it. Well, am I trading gold? Gold. Have a great weekend, guys. All right, peace out, TikTok. Appreciate you. Thank you for the follows today. Thank you for the views, the comments, the likes, the shares. You guys are crazy. Appreciate you. Peace out. Have a good weekend. Stay safe. Stay safe. See you later, PJ. See you later, boys and girls.